Welcome to the lecture series of Math Genius, and today we will be solving this question. Okay, so it just asks us to solve this trigonometric question. Okay, so we will be first doing that. We will be taking 7 cos 3 theta on the other side is equals to 5 sin 3 theta, and then it would be sin 3 theta divided by cos 3 theta is equals to 7 over 5. It can be written as tangent 3 theta, since sine over cos is what? Sine theta over cos theta is equals to tangent theta, right? So therefore sine 3 theta divided by cos 3 theta is equals to tangent 3 theta is equals to 7 over 5. Now 3 theta is equals to tangent inverse 7 over 5. We are getting a value 0.9505 of 3 theta. Then 3 theta is equals to 0.9505. So theta would be what? 0.9505 divided by 3. Theta becomes 0.31. So theta becomes 0.3168 in terms of radian. Since the question is in radian, so therefore the calculation is done in radians. Okay. Now part B of this question, right? Okay, so the question is 9 cos square x plus 5 cos x is equals to 3 sin square x. Okay, and we have to solve it, and we have to find the values in the range of 0 to 360 degrees. So this one is in degrees. So first of all, either we will be converting this to an identity. It becomes 9 cos square x plus 5 cos x plus 3 into sin square x is what? 1 minus cos square x. So 5 cos x is equal to 3 minus 3 cos square x. This one is taken over here. It becomes what? 12 cos square x added plus 5 cos x minus 3 is equals to 0. Right? So this becomes what? 3 into this, it becomes what? 36. So this becomes minus 36, right? So we have to break this middle term into such a way that it becomes minus 36. So this, and the sign should be plus, so I am taking plus 9 cos x minus 4 cos x minus 3 is equals to 0. Rearranging them, this should be over here, this should be over here. So I am taking as like 3 cos x common, 4 cos x common, so it becomes 3 cos x minus 1 if I am taking this one over here, and then over here I am taking plus 3 common, so it becomes 3 cos x minus 1 is equals to 0. So we have two equations. So we are saying 3 cos x minus 1 equals to 0, so cos x is equals to 1 over 3, and the other one is 4 cos x is equals to minus 3, so cos x is equals to minus 3 over 4. Finding x over here, we are getting, so cos is positive in first and fourth. First is like this, so 70.54 will come directly. The other one would be 360 minus 70.54. We are getting the value negative. Second, 180 minus 41.41, and third quadrant 180 plus 41.41. Okay, so solving it further in the second quadrant, as we have to subtract the values. So 180 minus 41.14, we are getting the value 138.6. One decimal place, it would become 70.5. This would become 289.5. Okay, arranging the values, then we have 70.5 for solution, then we have 138.6, then we have 221.4, then we have 289.5. I hope you guys have understood this, because the range was 0 to 360 degrees and there were two values coming, so we have to solve it like this. I hope you guys have understood this part. This is the end of this session.